National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, northwestern Cameron County in deep South Texas, southwestern Willacy County in deep South Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alamo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Edinburg, Mission, Pharr, Harlingen, Weslaco, San Juan, Alamo, Donna, Mercedes, Santa Rosa, McAllen, Louisiana, Hoya, Elsa, Ed Couch, and Hidalgo. This includes the following highways: Bus Highway 83 between mile markers 846 and 850. Interstate Highway 69 east between mile markers 21 and 39. Interstate Highway 69C between mile markers 1 and 11. US Highway 281 between mile markers 784 and 826. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not
double header. Special marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters
severe
from Port
storms
Mansfield, Texas, to the Rio
in
Grande
McAllen,
River, out 20
Texas,
nautical miles.
in South Texas.
Madre from 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas. Laguna Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Laguna Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado. Waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 36 nautical miles southeast of Malakoy Beach to 19 nautical miles northwest of Port Mansfield, moving south at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Port Mansfield, Laguna Madre, Laguna Vista, South Padre Island, Queen Isabella Causeway, and Port Isabel. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here's a look at